Hello friends, today let's see how to solve a flickering problem while watching YouTube videos. Okay, so to solve this, we should go to the Chrome. I'm showing you in Chrome how to solve this. So when you are opened YouTube in Chrome application, you will get a setting option here. Okay, click on this three dot button, click on here, click on this, go to settings. Here you should search for acceleration. So this is enabled, so you should turn off this acceleration, use graphic acceleration whenever. You should turn off this option, so it will solve your problem. It will solve flickering problem for YouTube videos while watching. Thank you.